Where can I find a good marketing business template? Hi guys, I'm Syama, CEO of Scaling Retail, and wow, there are so many templates out there, guys. When it comes to finding a good one for marketing, the most important thing is that it works for you. Meaning, you don't download a marketing template from Google searching and say, okay, I now need to use that marketing template to help drive everything that I'm doing with my marketing. In fact, guys, most marketing templates are going to cover so many different channels that may not even be applicable to your particular business. So when you're starting to look for a great marketing template, what you actually want to do is really start to think about, what do I need my marketing template to do for me? What channels do I want it to cover? Exactly how am I going to be measuring and tracking the data? So for a lot of our clients, we've actually been suggesting using different kinds of tools in order to do content creation and content planning. Companies like CoSchedule and Loomly are great for social media marketing and helping to plan that content. But at the end of the day, when it comes to having a marketing template, we actually prefer to build our own in-house. In fact, we suggest to our clients that we actually build their templates for them in-house. Meaning, we take a look at their marketing strategies and then build up something on Excel or on Google Sheets to actually deliver specific results just for them. Meaning, you guys may actually want to be tracking different channels. You may want to be pulling in data from Google Analytics. You might want to be pulling in data from your Shopify Analytics. You might also be pulling in Instagram Analytics, Facebook Analytics. There are lots of analytics. So when you take a look at these marketing templates, you've got to ask yourself, am I better off building one on my own? Should I just do one that's actually going to help me with my own specific channels? So many fashion companies out there are actually on things like Twitter, Pinterest, Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, and to be honest, their customers are no longer on Twitter. Their customers are not converting on Snapchat. In fact, their customers are maybe mostly on Instagram. So, having said that, your marketing template should really be catered just to that Instagram platform, bringing in your other analytics from, let's say, Google in order to help support and understand what's been working. You may also pull in your MailChimp or Constant Contact analytics to understand how your newsletter performance is going. So make sure that the analytics that you're actually putting out there and that you're looking at are actually helping to support the content that you're producing. It's a two-ended platform, content planning and content analysis. Do not plan content without having a platform or a way to measure it. All right, guys, I hope it wasn't too discouraging. I simply just don't suggest you go out there and type in marketing template for my fashion business and download any old template. You need to think strategically about what you're building, what you're doing, and how actually you want to drive and see results with your marketing strategy. When you're ready to get serious, ready to start to make some strides in your business, shoot us an email at hello@scalingretail.com. We would love to be the driving force in your fashion retail marketing plan, strategy, and execution. Please feel free to leave comments below. We'd love to hear how you guys are optimizing for your strategies and what you're doing in terms of reporting. Again, lots of templates, not a lot of good ones, right? Best to build your own. Head over to Instagram, make sure you follow us at Scaling Retail. And guys, I hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day. Bye.